we just heard a big thunder.
You might hear it.
Well, a little thunder. And it's coming from up there.
Move a little bit back.
And it's nuts. It's massive, guys. You don't know. It's a thunder. It's a tiny cloud.
I heard tiny.
It's starting to pour it down. It sounds big.
Oh, I'm getting quite afraid now. I was listening to the word more.
You hear that?
I know.
That is nuts. That is nuts.
I was hoping our best friends were coming. Louis, let me hold. Our best friends were coming, and I don't think they'll come now.
Oh, there's these two tiny birds trying to race the wind.
Wait, where?
Up there. Nuts.
Oh yeah, you can hold it. Oh my.
Look at that. That is nuts, guys.
That is insane.
This must be... We just saw that flick. The lightning just came right next to us.
Over there?
No, it was literally right in front of you. Blue strike, just right in front.
Who's getting scared? Oh!
What, you see something?
I saw a little thingy might go down.
Dad with his carp fisherman stuff down there?
I am
I'm literally
terrified.
outside trying to sort out. Oh, we're getting rained on now. Holy cow.
Holy crap.
Hannah apparently saw something just over there. Just in that little crack there.
What if somebody's in a zoo?
Nuts.
What happens if somebody's in a zoo? Oh!
Oh my god, guys, look at my dad.
Oh, Dad, you're gonna get
He's
soaked.
gonna get soaked.
You gotta fill this
you
with your
see this,
Louis,
guys?
fill this with your hand. Move. Louis gonna fill this with his hand.
Actually, not any rain. It was forecast and not something this strong. So this is crazy, guys. This is what it's normally like in England, but not this bad. Look, there's even a flipping plane up there.
How is a plane right up there when it's raining?
It's a seaplane, Hannah. That looks like a seaplane.
There's a plane up there.
In this.
Look at my dad.
He's like,
Here you go, hold this, please.
I'm not going to.
Limes. Oh my god.
Guys.
This is like, look at that bird.
This is crazy. Hannah, move.
Ah, I'm getting sprayed. Don't look at that, you almost.
We heard it is behind us. The storm's pretty much really bad behind us. Right, but over there, Hannah saw a flash of lightning. We're just waiting for the next big bang. If we see the flash straight away, and then we hear the sound straight away, that means the storm's right above us. But if it's not, that means it's like 20 minutes away or something. I read something. Don't judge me, guys. Sweat Ninja Channel.
That's
Storm chasers now. Jesus. Dad, was this forecast be this bad?
Maybe the forecast people are saying, guys, there's gonna be thunder.
God, look at this. That's another one there. No, that's my dad. Look, my dog's like.
Wait, what?
Look, my dog is my dog.
Why is someone coming down to help me?
No, it's scary.
I'm filming this, mate. Oh my.
It's definitely over.
It's oh my god. Yo!
Guys,
This
look at
is
me right now.
crazy.
Louis, show
This is
what I look like.
Freezing.
I'm all wet. And
I'm like phase
the
job.
most
It's crazy.
scaredest person ever.
This is like phase
Look
job.
at that
It's
person.
crazy.
She's looking at the
She's literally sticking her head out.
Oh, look at my hand. My hand's so
There's all these little clouds that holding something massive, and they just all combined.
All of
So
these.
we're excited to see a massive flash.
Scared.
So and it's getting a little bit worse. I just imagine if a hurricane comes, guys, in England.
What's a
in the UK.
hurricane?
It's
What's
a
a
really
hur-
bad storm. But this is crazy, guys. This is nuts.
Are you going to stay alive if there's going to be a hurricane?
Maybe not. I'm just joking, Anna. You can't get them in England. You can get tornadoes though, tiny ones.
I'm gonna get out of here.
It could be a tornado. Imagine, guys, if this was a thunder tornado, this was nuts.
Oh, that scared me.
Yeah,
So bad, Dad. And if, I
There's
don't think
geese
we're gonna be
over
seeing
there.
our friends
I can just see
anymore.
geese over there,
I
just
don't think
like.
we're gonna be seeing our friends anymore.
That was another little shaker.
I
Oh shoot! Who saw that? Who saw that? That was a flash. That was a flash.
I saw that
Did you see that? That literally
Yeah.
came right here. It almost struck my sister. It's right on top of us. You guys, it's right there. It's right there. Who saw that? It's literally right up there. It's right up there, guys. Guys, this is nuts. This is nuts. Who saw that? Who saw that stroke of lightning? That was insanely close. Literally struck just down there. Yo, this is crazy. Beige. They're like, ooh, it's upside down. Oh, who saw that? Who saw that? Camera, guys, camera. We just saw another flash.
I can't grab.
It's another flash in my face.
My dog's gonna be dead after this.
He won't. Dogs are smart. Get in there, don't be. Oh, guys, that. Who saw that? Who saw that? Guys, did I do that? Oh my!
I can't see them.
There's sideways lightning up there, Hannah. It's hanging out there.
As well.
Ow!
I just saw it. Guys, it's up there.
I wish it was summertime.
It is summertime.
Let me see.
There's no lightning bolts right now, it's just rain. But guys, did you? If I got that on video, that would be nuts, bro.
Oh no, the hot tub's gonna fill with cold water.
Wait, it's upside down.
Wait, what's gonna be upside? Oh yeah, guys, it's upside down.
I'm filming this upside down.
Louis, do you want to turn it around?
This is a big storm.
I'm gonna turn it around, guys.
No, don't turn it around, otherwise it's upside down. Anyway, guys, Hannah, do you want to film?
What do you want me to film? I'm making this
Because you're right in front of her. Literally, it's literally just there up in the clouds. This is nuts. This is.
It's on my.
Just saw another one, Hannah.
No,
It's probably like 1 minute
the noise
away.
came over there. It's not over there.
No, it's above us, Hannah. The storm's literally just there, or it's above. There's
Me
nothing.
and
There's
my friend are gonna be dead.
there's a storm
I am
right there, which is just combined
terrified.
just over there. Yeah.
I
There's
am
one up there above us.
Louis, I'm terrified.
So you can see all the rain coming down. But this is crazy.
What? It's a bit of rain, Hannah.
Anyway, this is big thunder, guys, for England.
It's not.
We've seen bigger, but this is quite. Hannah,
Louis, move on.
Hannah.
Film. Move back.
I want to see it. Okay.
On.
Wait,
I'm gonna turn it around because I feel like the whole video was.
The birds are running, guys. The birds know
Who wants to
something
see the
big's coming.
birds?
The birds
The
are
birds
going
were.
up.
Oh, look at that birdie. Look at those birds.
Unzoom it. And
Oh,
point it
look at
upwards.
Oh, look at that cloud.
Okay, guys. That
Look
looks
at
like the
that. How
storm's
is
moved
that?
over there. a
Wait,
little
if
bit.
you guys don't know,
That is
we have a
crazy,
bird
Jarvis.
nest up there.
Yeah, and looks like the birds were over there were the ones hovering the big bit.
I don't know where.
My dog's freaking out down here, look. Rolo.
Look at our dog. Rolo.
He's like, eh.
And right now, I'm terrified. Hello. Hello.
Why are you terrified for? It's a bit of thunder and lightning.
Move. Do you know why she's terrified? Because the lightning bolt just came right next to her.
This is Rolo.
No.
Dude.
It might be above us,
Look at
guys,
that.
which is
Look at that.
nuts. Yeah, that is some cracking
It was
thunder.
over there, literally.
It's above us and over there. There's not as bad storm up there, but there's a big one just there.
I feel like
I've
it's gonna
seen
be right there,
I've seen a
guys.
massive lightning bolt.
Wait,
gone
is it
next to
upside down or what?
No, you're supposed to hold it
into the unknown, and as the sun
They're
was
watching
setting,
fishing.
the thought of the peaceful night being broken by a monster.
Yo, it's all like yellow over there.
Yeah, that's just normal.
Wait, can I see where
Okay,
the...
guys, hope you enjoyed this video.
There's yellow over there, literally.
Yeah, you're digging up because of the sun.
Oh,
Bye.
Told me